In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of unblocking someone on the Threads app. It can be completed in just a few steps. Begin by launching the Threads app on your device. Ensure you are logged in to your account. Once you're inside the app, locate the profile of the person you want to unblock. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the upper right corner of the profile screen, you'll notice two lines, typically located next to the Instagram icon. Tap on these lines to access a menu. Among the options in the menu, you'll find Privacy. Tap on this to proceed to the privacy settings. Inside the privacy settings, you'll see various options related to your account's privacy. Look for the Blocked Profiles option and select it. Tapping on Blocked Profiles will open a list of all the profiles you've blocked on the Threads app. Please note that this action may redirect you to the Instagram app momentarily. Ensure that you have the Instagram app installed on your device. In the list of blocked profiles, locate the profile you wish to unblock. Once you've found it, tap on the Unblock option next to their name. After tapping Unblock, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the profile has been successfully unblocked. By following these simple steps, you can easily unblock someone on the Threads app and re-establish communication if needed. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon